Most people don't know. What happens if you use baking soda? Every day. Hey there. You probably have a box of baking soda sitting somewhere in your kitchen. Maybe you've used it to bake a cake, freshen up your fridge, or even scrub your sink. But what if I told you this simple white powder has health benefits that go way beyond baking and cleaning? In today's video, we're going to explore what really happens when you start using baking soda every single day. Some of these benefits might completely surprise you, in a good way. Stick around to learn how this common kitchen ingredient can actually improve your digestion, help with skincare, and even support kidney function. And before we get started, quick reminder, always check with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before adding anything new to your health routine. This video is for informational purposes only. Alright, let's get into it. 1. It can help relieve heartburn. Let's kick things off with one of the most well-known benefits, heartburn relief. You know that burning feeling that climbs up from your stomach to your throat after a big meal? That's heartburn, and it's often caused by acid reflux. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is alkaline, meaning it can neutralize that excess stomach acid fast. Just mix about a teaspoon into a glass of water and sip slowly. Many people say it works in minutes, but here's the thing. Don't make this a daily habit without talking to your doctor. Too much baking soda can mess with your body's pH balance, and that can lead to serious issues like metabolic alkalosis or increased blood pressure. 2. It may help soothe arthritis symptoms. Did you know baking soda might help with joint pain? Recent studies show that baking soda can actually reduce inflammation by influencing how the immune system responds. For people with autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, this can be huge. A 2018 study found that drinking a mixture of water and baking soda daily helped shift immune cells toward an anti-inflammatory state. Translation: less pain, less swelling, and potentially better joint mobility. But again, talk to your doctor first if you're considering this for chronic pain. 3. It could boost exercise performance athletes. This one's for you. When you work out hard, your muscles produce acid, and that buildup can cause fatigue and that burning sensation in your legs. Baking soda helps buffer that acid, which means you might be able to push harder and go longer. In fact, one study showed that cyclists who took baking soda before a ride were able to perform for over 4 minutes longer than those who didn't. Just keep in mind, it can also cause bloating or gas if your body isn't used to it. Start slow and test it before race day. 4. It supports oral health. Want a fresh, clean mouth without the burn of commercial mouthwash? Baking soda is a natural alternative. It helps neutralize the acids that cause bad breath and tooth decay. Plus, its gentle abrasiveness helps scrub away plaque and stains without damaging your enamel, if used correctly. You can mix a half teaspoon in a glass of warm water and rinse like mouthwash, or sprinkle a bit on your toothbrush for a natural clean. Just don't go overboard. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. 5. It may improve kidney function. If you or someone you know has chronic kidney issues, listen up. In people with chronic kidney disease, the kidneys can struggle to manage acid buildup in the body. Baking soda can help by neutralizing that acid and reducing the stress on the kidneys. One study even found that regular supplementation helped slow the progression of kidney disease in some patients. But this is serious stuff and should only be done under medical supervision. Do not self-prescribe baking soda for kidney problems. 6. It can help ease UTIs. Urinary tract infections can be incredibly uncomfortable. One home remedy that some people swear by is drinking baking soda mixed with water. The idea is that baking soda alkalizes the urine, making it less hospitable for the bacteria that cause UTIs. It may also reduce the burning sensation during urination. In one study, women who took sodium bicarbonate for 4 weeks experienced reduced urinary symptoms. Still, always consult with a doctor if you suspect a UTI. These can become serious if left untreated. 7. It might support weight management. Here's a surprising one. Baking soda may help with weight control, indirectly. It's not a magic fat burner, but because it neutralizes stomach acid, it might help with bloating and create a temporary feeling of fullness. Some people also find that it improves their metabolic balance, especially if they're dealing with issues like insulin resistance or acidosis. That said, don't expect to drop pounds just by sipping baking soda. It's best used as a small part of a bigger, healthier lifestyle. 8. It's great for skincare. If you've ever had a bug bite, sunburn, or itchy skin, baking soda might be your new best friend. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation, while its mild exfoliating ability removes dead skin cells and promotes smoother skin. You can make a paste with water and apply it directly, or even add some to a warm bath for a full-body soak. Just a heads up, don't overdo it. Using too much can dry out your skin or disrupt your natural pH. Use in moderation and always moisturize afterward. 9. It has antifungal properties. Fungal skin infections like athlete's foot or ringworm? Baking soda might help with that too. It works by disrupting the fungus' ability to thrive and grow. You can mix it into a paste and apply it directly, or use it in a foot soak to combat fungal infections on the feet. One lab study showed that baking soda inhibited the growth of 80% of common fungal strains. That's pretty impressive for something sitting in your kitchen cabinet. 10. It might help support cancer treatment. Now, let's be clear. Baking soda is not a cure for cancer, but it may support certain cancer therapies by making the environment around tumors less acidic. Cancer cells tend to thrive in acidic environments. Some researchers believe that by making the body's pH slightly more alkaline, baking soda could reduce the rate at which tumors grow and even make chemotherapy more effective in certain cases. In animal studies, it's been shown to reduce tumor acidity and slow growth. Human studies are still ongoing, so talk to your oncologist before using baking soda in any cancer-related protocol. So, there you have it. 10 surprising ways baking soda can benefit your health when used wisely. From aiding digestion and freshening breath, to soothing your skin and supporting kidney health, this humble white powder is more than meets the eye. But remember, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can be harmful, especially if you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are on certain medications. Start slow, listen to your body, and most importantly, talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new health habit. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching.